Well, Ive has been really very quiet here.
Sending it straight into the net once again.
And you know, after set number one, it doesn't seem like it's the same Indonesia squad that we saw playing there.
That's right. It seems as if Chinese Taipei was just getting warmed up during the first set.
They're looking more organized. They're looking like the stronger team.
Another error committed for Indonesia. Two attack errors, and that's going to cost them. It's now
That was back-to-back mistakes as we see Chiang Tien Yu serving.
Andre trying to make it up for Indonesia.
Septio Hadi serving. Wow!
So that's the back row attack we've been looking for in the first two sets.
And a big shot there from Wang Qianfeng. Watch it again. Elevation. Scoring the point, and they're up 16-11.